Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Welcome back to Cast During Wednesday. If you missed my little update video on good news, bad news, why I missed last week's videos because I was working a new job and scheduling just, I didn't know what my schedule was going to be at the time. So today we're going to make some homemade hamburger helper. I actually wasn't initially looking for this to make, but I saw it on, I just googled one pot meals, trying to get some ideas. So curiosity got the better of me. So I got my Dutch oven out. I'm also going to be steaming some broccoli because, you know, veg. And then let's get to it. Alright, add a little olive oil. Throw in my ground beef. This is 80-20. First got to add a little salt. Now that the ground beef is almost done, I'm going to add my mushrooms. Of course, you can add whatever else you want. If you want to add onion, pepper, or whatever. I'll let that cook down a minute. Alright, now we're going to add seasonings and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Paprika, garlic powder, some Slapia Mama. Now we're going to add 2 cups of hot water. Alright, then add 1.25 cups of milk. And let it come back up to a boil. And then add, the recipe said 2 cups of macaroni. I was actually a little short, which is why I reduced the milk down to 1.25. I'll tell you this, it smells really good. It's not even fully cooked yet, so. Alright. Let that do its thing. Okay, make sure that you stir this occasionally. Because I sat down for a minute. And I got up and stirred it, and it was starting to stick to the bottom, so. Yeah, make sure you stir it. While this cooks, I'm going to grate some cheddar cheese. Some of this is going to go in the meal, but some of this is going to be used on my eggs in the morning, so it's going to grate the whole thing. Okay, cheese is all done and grated. Okay, I don't know if you've ever had the cheeseburger macaroni hamburger helper. This smells just like it. It's kind of crazy how similar it is in smell. And it's sticking to the bottom again. A little bit. Honestly, this is why I like to boil pasta in a non-stick pan. It's alright though. It's alright. I threw in some Texas toast. I thought would go really well with the meal, so the timer just went off. I did 10 minutes for the macaroni because that's how long macaroni takes to cook. I'm just going to go ahead and throw the cheese in. Burner's turned off. I no longer need it on because it should be fully, macaroni, although I haven't tasted it yet, should be fully cooked. So, get that stirred in. Turn the oven off. And I'm going to let this sit for a bit. I'll let the residual heat melt the cheese, and it should thicken up a little bit as it sits. Man, that smells really good. Alright, let's get this dished up. I got my broccoli. Yes, I know I steamed it. I didn't cook it in the pot, in the one pot, but I like my broccoli steamed, and I don't see any reason to not steam it. So, a piece of Texas toast. Actually, both pieces. And we got black pepper everything. All right, let's see how she tastes. I have not even taken a taste of this yet. Didn't lick the spoon or anything. So it'd be really unfortunate if the macaroni wasn't cooked all the way. But macaroni takes about 10 minutes, and I set the timer for it as a kind of a rough estimate. No, it's cooked all the way. Money. I tell you what, it tastes really good. Hot. Whew. All right, well, I'll tell you what. I ended up going back for another spoonful. That was actually really good. I'd make that again anytime. So, yeah. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to check below playlist for Cast Iron Wednesday every week. We try to do these. And have a good one. Catch you next time. Or next week.